Tom from Tomjet, and today we are in Friedrichshafen at the Faszination Welt, hosted by the friendly guys from Klassiavo. And I'm gonna show you right now the new kit of the squall70. Okay, let's put it right here. Let's have a look into the box. So first of all, you have the optional possibility to buy the bungee launching system. Then you also can buy the decals, the tomjets design, and squall on the bottom, and fancy decoration right here. Then your kit comes with all the 3D printed parts like the nozzle, the air intake and the nose. On this link you directly download your manual. It's quite nice made and you see really everything how you build it. Of course, little bits and pieces like the rudder hinges, the hook for the bungee launch, every screw, every hinge, even the magnets for the canopy locking system is included. Your carbon strut, for the EDF unit, the thrust pipe. And this is something cool I need to show you. Your squall, of course, has the possibility to be equipped with vector control. These little flaps control your squall around all 3 axes. Okay. Then some thin plywood for the servo covers. And here we go. This is the actual content of the kit. You have every single part right here with a laser engraved number and plate 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything you need to build your skeleton. And then also some balsa part. And then here we go. This is the best innovation. Your kit comes completely with the balsa sheeting. Every little piece is unwrapped and can be glued directly on the skeleton, and you will see it will fit perfect. So basically that's it. So go ahead on wtomjets.com, get your squall70 for below $200. Thanks for watching, guys.